Have you ever noticed something slightly unsettling? Some of the most financially stressed people you know are also the ones earning the most. They got the raise, they changed the job, they crossed a new salary bracket, and yet nothing feels lighter. The anxiety didn't disappear, the pressure didn't go away, it just changed shape. So the real question isn't why don't people earn enough? The question is, why does earning more money so rarely fix financial stress? Let's make this concrete. Imagine a young professional in the US or Europe, maybe that's you. You're in your late 20s or early 30s. You earn about $75,000 a year in the US or the European equivalent. On paper, that sounds solid. But after taxes, health insurance, and social contributions, your take-home pay is closer to $4,300 a month. Now, life starts subtracting. Rent for a decent one-bedroom, $1,600. Car payment or public transport pass, $400. Student loans, $350. Utilities, phone, internet, $250. Groceries, nothing fancy, just normal food, $500. Insurance, subscriptions, small lifestyle expenses, $300. Before you've done anything reckless, you're already around $3,400 gone. That leaves $900. And from that, you're supposed to save, invest, travel occasionally, handle emergencies, and somehow feel financially comfortable. Now imagine you get a raise. Your salary jumps to $95,000. You feel relieved, briefly. But within a year, your rent is higher, your car is nicer, your lifestyle quietly upgraded, and your stress level almost identical. Here's the uncomfortable truth most people don't want to hear. Financial stress is rarely caused by income alone. It's caused by fixed commitments that grow faster than awareness. The system encourages this. Banks don't ask, will this payment limit your freedom? They ask, can you technically afford it this month? Employers celebrate gross salary. Life is paid in net income. And society quietly normalizes upgrading everything the moment income rises, without ever asking what it costs long term. So, people don't feel richer, they feel locked in. Let's slow this down with very simple math. Say you earn an extra $20,000 a year. After tax, that might be $12,000. That's $1,000 a month. Now watch how easily it disappears. A slightly better apartment, plus $400. A newer car or higher EMI, plus $300. More dining out, subscriptions, travel, plus $300. The raise is gone. But here's the key difference. Those expenses are now fixed. You didn't buy flexibility, you bought obligations. So, when inflation hits, when a job becomes unstable, when health or family issues arise, stress doesn't increase gradually, it spikes, because fixed costs don't negotiate.
This isn't because people are irresponsible. It's psychological. Humans don't experience money as numbers. We experience it as identity and relief. A higher salary feels like progress. A better lifestyle feels like proof that the struggle was worth it. So the brain quietly says, I deserve this now. Not out of greed, out of exhaustion. And once a higher standard becomes normal, going back feels like failure. So people protect lifestyle first and peace of mind second, without realizing they made that trade. Over time, this creates a strange outcome. High earners living paycheck to paycheck, six-figure salaries with empty savings. People one layoff away from panic. Not because they lack intelligence, but because their margin for error disappeared. Financial stress isn't about how much you earn. It's about how much room you have to breathe. And fixed expenses slowly suffocate that room. Financially intelligent people don't ask, how much can I afford? They ask, how much freedom does this cost me? They don't rush to upgrade lifestyle with income. They delay it. Not forever, just long enough to understand where the money actually goes. They see extra income as buffer first, reward later. More savings months, more options, less dependence on any single paycheck. Their lives often look boring from the outside, but internally they're calm. Not because they're rich, but because they're resilient. This is why earning more money often fails to fix stress, because the real solution isn't income growth alone, it's awareness growth. Understanding that comfort isn't luxury, it's margin. Margin to say no. Margin to wait. Margin to handle surprises without panic. That's what money is supposed to buy. Not constant upgrades, but quiet stability. If earning more hasn't made you feel safer, there's nothing wrong with you. You're responding normally to a system that celebrates income but ignores structure. Financial peace doesn't come from the next raise. It comes from understanding what actually drains peace and choosing not to trade it away automatically. No guilt, no fear, just clarity. If this perspective helped you think a little more clearly about money, you can gently support the channel by liking the video or subscribing. Not urgency, just appreciation. Thanks for listening.